So today we are going to understand the concept about customer journey map, its importance. Okay, so we'll understand these today. I'm Manpreet. I am a UX design consultant. I worked as senior consultant, UX strategist, process designer. I've got good years of experience in design, and these are the different platforms where you can follow me. After this session, if you want to explore more and understand more about this user experience, customer experience, I recommend reading these books. So the first is Mapping Exercises by James Calbach. The second is the Customer Experience book by Alan Pennington. And the third is the 10 Principles Behind Great Customer Experience by Matt Watkinson. So if you can take out time, if you can read, I recommend that you should spend some time reading these books. These are the different things that I will cover today. One, so basic understanding or basic concept about user experience, customer experience, and service design. And then with that learning, with that concept in mind, we'll try and start mapping or understanding what is customer journey map. And also we'll understand what are the different stages. And then we'll understand the components of customer journey map. And finally, the benefits. So this is what we'll do. So what is customer journey map? Customer journey mapping is a realistic way to see how customer experiences line up with the brand promise. So here what happens is, as a CX designer or a UX designer, we try to represent the journey of the user with the product, with the brand, with the company. Okay. And by mapping this, we are able to get a lot of different insights and also understand the friction in the process of the customer experience. And by using this insights, by learning from this experience, we as designers, we as CX and the UX designers, we try to remove these frictions and improve the overall experience of the customer. Okay, so you have got to start with the customer experience and work back towards the technology, not the other way around. So whenever you're working on the experience, so first think about the experience itself and don't think about how to achieve that. First understand like what has to be solved, what is the problem, and then do the backward calculation or do the backward work and then focus on the technology and the other aspects. So first it should be customer. So that's why as a designer, your approach should be customer centric, human centric. So what makes a business successful? So if you're a businessman and somebody comes and asks you like, okay, so what is that makes your business successful? The answer will be like, happy customers. So making happy customers, keeping happy users, that's the most important thing for the businesses. So at first glance, it might be difficult to find out why one business is successful, another isn't. Each company has different products and services, different management work styles, different work cultures. But one thing that's common in all successful business is their focus on customer experience and customer service. So whatever may be the business type, okay, and similarly like work culture, the management style, and so on. So the core or the most important element in the success of the business will always be the customers, the happy customers. So always remember that if you want to create a good product, a successful product, that means like you should work towards keeping happy customers or building good relationship with your customers, and that will only happen by offering them good services and good experiences through your product or from your product. Okay, so customer relations are essential for business success. Yes. So till the time you're not serving your customer, you're not having healthy relationship with your customers, you won't be able to be successful. So loyal customers means successful business. And how can you get loyal customers? Only when you are able to offer them good services. So loyal customers mean successful business. So building up a good relationship with them and making them feel valued brings in more business. So understand this, making them feel valued. Tell them that or show them that yes, you value their relationship or you value them as a customer and try to offer them services, good services, better experiences. And once they get this, so they will stay loyal to you. And as a result of this, you will always get something in from them, be it like, referrals, more sales, more revenue. So having healthy relationship with the customers is very important. It is not what the company sell, but how they sell it makes the difference between success and failure. So yes, product is important, but more than that, it's the process. It's how they're selling it. What is the relationship that they have with the customers, with the users? So that's why it's not what the company sell, but how they sell it, and that actually defines the success and the failure of the company and the product too. So people expect some benefit when they use the products and services an organization provides. They want to get some job done, solve a problem, or experience a particular emotion. So whenever a customer comes to a company, they come with some expectation. So as a CX designer, as a UX designer, we should understand the expectation of the users, of the customers, and work towards that, or basically then try and work and create products and services that should solve the problem. Okay. So always try to help them get their job done and provide them good experience. People return to a brand because of exemplary customer service, even if the price of product or service is high, right? You must have experienced this many a time yourself. So sometimes you like going to a shop which though has higher price, but because of the customer experience, because of how they treat the customers, so these are different reasons. So that's why the relationship is important, customer experience is important, and as a business, as a product owner, we should understand its importance and make use of this or provide great services to the customers. Companies that focus on customer experience reaps the benefits. So that's true. So whichever company focuses on the customer experience, they get more customers, and as a result, they are able to make more money. With the pace in which the innovation in technology is happening, businesses must focus on improving the experience they deliver if they want to enjoy a competitive edge. Like technology is advancing and different companies are using different products with different feature sets and so on, right? And also their medium has changed. As a business person or as a customer experience person, you need to understand these spaces, these different mediums, these different channels, and make the best use of it. So otherwise what will happen is the other competitors, they will make use of this and they will grow and you will stay at the same place. So providing good services using technology is important. And how can companies stay ahead of others? By creating high quality products and services that customer wants. Yes, the product should be very good. It should be like of the highest quality. And apart from this, the most important thing is that they need to develop strong customers relationship. So the approach should be customer centric, and the focus should be on improving the organization process and products basis the need of the user. So depending upon what is the need, the process should be optimized accordingly so that the needs of the users are met and in the best way. In the coming years, customer experience will overtake price and product improvement as the key brand differentiator. This is important. So in the future, what will happen? Yes, people will and remain price conscious, but the other important factor that will come in place will be the customer experience. So customer will love interacting with companies which provides better experiences. So focusing on customers will go beyond the products and services. So yes, the company should focus on customer experience. So that is what will be the major, factor that will define the success. CX process helps create better experience. Yes, once you have good understanding of the customer and also what experiences will make them happy. So by understanding that flow, by understanding their journey and everything, you can easily create good experiences. By understanding these processes and all, you can easily improve the overall customer experiences, and that too at all touch points. When I say all touch points, it's mobile, the website, okay, kiosk, then call center, then store. So every touch points. Once you have the complete understanding of the customer journey, so you can easily focus on each area and understand like what's happening, what is the problem, what is the friction, and then you can focus and remove each of these. Okay, and that too when, before, during, and after the conversion. So the complete journey. And when I say journey, so it starts with discovery of the product, and also when the purchase happens, and also when the user is using the product. It involves designing product services with the focus on the quality and thoughtfulness of the user experience. So you want to improve the experience, so you'll have to focus on the quality, yes, and also the thoughtfulness of like everything should be thoughtfully done. Okay, every experience or the interaction should be meaningful. Every touch point within the customer's interaction with a product service is designed to deliver experiences based on the brand's promise, which helps in nurturing strong customer brand relationships. So Every touch point is important. And also you need to understand what was the promise and whether that was delivered or not. If the brand says that, yes, I will offer free warranty or like warranty, so then they should fulfill that. Similarly, whatever promises the brand is making, it may be of the quality, quantity, whatever those may be. So the brand should fulfill that. And once they're able to fulfill that, because of that, what happens? There's a strong relationship. Strong relationship gets developed between the brand and the customers.